Hello, my name is Deja Tillman. This is week 3 of Bio 225, and today's date is March 23rd, 2020. This exercise is going to be the first of direct and negative stains. This exercise, I will be using simple stain techniques with direct and negative stain to prepare smears. I will identify basic morphology and bacterial shapes and arrangement. On this first slide, I indicate that 1 is the first slide, direct is the sample of direct stains, and M indicates the sample will be from the mouth. So with this one, I will collect my sterile swab. And I will vigorously scrape the inside of my gums and teeth. And then with the swab, I will place it in a circular motion. And then once I'm done with that, I will let it air dry. A circular motion. And then on my second slide, it's labeled 2. It's a second slide. Negative. It will involve a negative stain. And M indicates that the sample will be taken from the mouth. So what I will do is use my Congo red, which is a stain, and I'm going to place a single drop at the top, 1 drop. Then I will be taking my second sterile swab, and with the sterile swab, I will be doing smearing vigorously on my teeth and gums. And then I will be putting it on the stain in a circular motion. Then with this slide, I will take a clear blank slide with nothing on it, hold it at a 30-degree angle, and I'm going to wipe the stain across the slide. In the end, you should be not left with any liquids. And then I will let this air dry. So I'll let that air dry. Going back to my first stain, my direct sample from the mouth, the first one, I will use my tube clamps here, and I'm going to heat fix it. So I'll take it over the flame 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this will have the cells stick to the slide. And I will let this one cool for 10 minutes. Then after the 10 minutes, I will stain it. So that completes the first part, and I will let it stain for 10 minutes and I'll restart the video again. Okay, you guys, so now I've let my slide sit for about 10 minutes and cool after the heat fixing. As you can see on my second slide, there is no more liquid, so it's ready to be viewed underneath the microscope. You can see the red from the stain here, a little bit there. And then on my second slide, I'm going to stain it. I placed it in my staining tray that I've been provided. I am going to use the Crystal Violet Gram Stain. I'm going to apply 1 to 2 drops to my the cells. So 1, 2. I'm gonna let it sit for about 60 seconds. Then after the 60 seconds, I am going to rinse it and make sure the water is clear when I rinse it. Everything's clear. So timing myself now. We're gonna wait 60 seconds. I'm gonna rinse it until the liquid is clear, and then it should both be viewed underneath the microscope. We're almost there, about 30 more seconds. And this is pretty much what I used. I will then take my slide and then I will run it under tap water. Until it runs clear. Then I'm going to blot it to dry it. Do not rub it, just blot it. Perfect. Just to dry it. And then both my slides will be ready to be viewed underneath the microscope. And this concludes exercise 1, week 3. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm excited to see what lays behind.